You are listening to The Gap on KBOO Portland. I'm Althea Billings. Today it is my pleasure to have two interview guests here in the studio with me. They made the trek in the morning. I really appreciate it. I'm joined by Aviva McClure, the co-director of the Cascade Festival of African Films, and Makosi Anita Tau, a writer and award-winning filmmaker from Botswana whose short film, For Them That Pray, is showing at the film festival.
And my work is to uncover the Botswana woman in cinema, because I've not seen myself in cinema. I've not seen my aunts, my uncles, my grandmothers, grandfathers. I've not seen them in cinema. And so I wanted a Botswana woman, and there was none to cast. So I, by default, ended up being the protagonist in the story. The image of the Mashatu vulture that you see there is a photograph by a friend of mine. Her name is Tepo Pokoje, and she's from Botswana. How do we tell a story by a Botswana woman, cinematically, someone who cinema has not held space for them? My source is God, and when God gives me an idea, it can be visions, dreams. I allow whatever He gives me to be translated through the tools and mediums that He wants. The urgency that I have is not from a place of fear. It's from a place of, this will be said.
Right.
This will be accepted, this will be understood, and the time for it is going to unravel itself. I don't have to fight time to tell these stories. Time itself will present opportunities, and the stories will be told.
Yeah.
It's so rare to see the experiences of a Botswana woman from the lens of a Botswana director. And this is because Africa has always been clumped into this monolith. And it's almost as though there's no expectation that there's people of different identities, beliefs, and culture within Africa. And I think what this festival is doing is that it's demystifying that that complex, that idea of it being a monolith. And so it's giving audiences the opportunity to look at life through the lens of whomever it is that has been given the platform to showcase.
I love your outfit. It's beautiful.
Quite a bit to put together for this early in the morning.
Yes. Yes, it is. Here, let me close that door. So.
Chair out of the way. There's a lot of different things we could do.
I love it.